We're wasting time.
Rude.
Hello and welcome to episode 5 of Trails and Tribulations. Today we are on the
Heart Creek Trail.
We're not exactly sure how many kilometers this one is. We're getting some conflicting
it's 2.8
reports.
return, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, well, there's a couple hikes here. We might try to get to both of them. There's a bunker, like a big cave system, and then just the regular trail. So we'll probably run up the regular trail first.
Yeah.
And then go from there.
Those are the tribulations.
Emerson, can you say hi?
Hi.
Dennis.
You're seeing our puppy.
Or he's singing a very bad tune. What's your baby doing?
She's still awake.
Hello.
No!
Tighten up on his lead.
To get ready, we should only do like 15. That's the compass. So that shows you what way north is, east, and west, and south. Don't poke your brother.
Can we go to the compass?
4.2 round trip. Sometimes I wonder what Diana and mine's first hike without kids is gonna be like. I feel like we're just gonna be like thoroughbreds that just like throw down 60 miles in a day because we can actually walk. So we checked now and it says 4.2 kilometers round trip. So it should take us about 4 hours and 20 minutes to get this hike done. Or maybe 8 hours. Ready to cross the bridge? To the right, Beyonce.
Look,
To the right, to the right. You're gonna use that as a hiking stick?
Uh-huh.
Okay, run up the trail. Hey Diana, how many times do you think the trail runner is gonna pass us? That's number 3.
800?
Come back here. Excellent. Nice hat, buddy. High five. Good job, bud.
See ya. See ya.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Those guys are blue. Those guys. Let's go up.
You're gonna go up?
Uh-huh. I think his dad something. Can you help me?
No. If you want up, you gotta climb up yourself.
You gotta keep going, bud. You're not far from the waterfall now.
A waterfall? There's a giant rock wall over that way, so Diana's gonna go around. She'll take you guys. You're going on Diana's head now.
I'm not ready for this. And I don't think it's a good idea.
Lay back.
Cody.
That's fun.
Yeah.
That's the next step. Look, I have to follow all the steps. I have to follow all the steps. That's why it can be a great. Put fins on it too.
So how would you rate eggs as a trail snack?
Or
I would smash them on that rock.
Me,
right
let's see
there.
your mouth.
Good.
Is it good? Diana, leave no trace.
I'm trying really hard.
Crawl, crawl. Go get Emmy. Okay, go get Emmy. Go on.
What?
Diana, I think a YouTube channel where it's just you and your schnauzer would be better.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's less annoying.
Fair enough.
You guys are so cute walking across the bridge.
Who, me and Finn?
Yeah. Hey, bear.
Hey, bear. I can take my bear straight. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Hey, bear.
No. Hey, yeah.
No, hey, bear.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, bear.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, bear.
Hey, yeah.
all finished Harch Creek. We did the 4.2 kilometer hike to the, I don't know what you call it. It was not like a waterfall, but a rock wall. And then there's a little lunch spot. We had lunch and came back. Sticking to true form, we did 1 kilometer per hour. How would you rate this one, Diana?
I really liked it. It doesn't have the same number of views as Grassy, because you're in a canyon, but it's really nice because there's lots of little bridges you can cross, so that's fun for kids.
Yeah, from like a interest to kids perspective, that's probably the most interesting one, because they love the bridges and being close to the water. Like, you followed the water the whole time. The kids did want to spend a lot of time on the rocks, throwing rocks, climbing rocks, stuff like that.
Yeah.
So how many oh, and the one little negative of it, it's pretty narrow, so with Phineas and all of the dogs, you just kind of met a lot of dogs on the trail. Which,
I mean, we have a dog, so we can't really be like, ugh.
No, yeah, and our dog's the most annoying of all the dogs. Yeah. So how would you rate it?
Like, I feel bad because I'm always like, yeah, it's really good, I love it. It's really good, I liked it a lot.
Rate it and get your credit.
Did you like that one?
Rate it and get your credit.
You're trying to make a slogan for the videos? Did you like that hike?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Hiking.
You liked the hiking part, and what was your favorite part?
Climbing those mountains.
So that's it for this video. Diana and I are going to get some curry.
I'm on the phone looking for somewhere to get curry.
We're going to get some curry takeout, and that's the hike.